What's up, everybody? We are headed down here to the we're over here at Kentucky Lake. That's where I should have started at, but it's a little bit noisy. You got people mowing up there. We're headed down here to the marina to do some fishing. Kentucky Dam Marina specifically, but hopefully we'll get into something. But yeah. Oh, there's a good one. No! No! Daggum, that was a big one. That was what I was looking for. It would have made the tree. Just want one. First Kentucky Lake bass of the year. Well, just another trip. He gone. I don't know if that was a fish or what. Another one. Got a good one. By far the biggest of the day. What's up, guys? Headed back to the cottage now, or cabin, whatever you want to call it. But this year, you know, coming out here, I've been out here. This probably makes my fifth or sixth year out here. But as for day one, it's not that bad. Besides losing a couple big ones, taking 3 or 4 small ones, I'll do. For fishing a new lake for me, that's pretty good. So I guess we'll see you guys in the morning, and we'll get started on day 2 here soon. It's pretty early. Not really much to say, but we're gonna head down to the marina here in a few minutes, so we'll see you then. That there is a future 10-pounder right there. That's a good one. Oh, that was right at my feet. There you go there. So I'm gonna stay here and fish for a minute. Everybody, today we are here with day number 2 here on Kentucky Lake. I'm still fishing around the marina, but you'll see that I've went to a couple different places. But aside from that, I've lost a bunch of baits. Found a couple. There's really not much to look at. I've caught 2 fish so far, so we'll keep doing it. What's up, friends? This is day 3 here on Kentucky Lake. We're about to go to a small cove, see if we can't catch anything. I kind of want to get into a new fish species, some kind of carp of some sort, because I've never caught anything like one. But we'll see y'all here in a few minutes.